So, good evening, everyone, in this fifth session of beginners. Okay, today we will try to change a little bit the rhythm of the work. You will do all the work, nearly all the work. We will try to use English in everyday situations. Okay, it's not only grammar sentences. Today we will try to use English in real situations. As usual, we will use classpoint.app. Okay, the application that we used to have the three previous sessions. I repeat, classpoint.app. Okay, and as usual, you have the class code 70581. Mrs. Sarah, if you want, you copy, you paste the link for them, the code, sorry. So I repeat, we will work with classpoint.app as usual, okay? Classpoint.app. And you enter your code. I already had two participants, okay? 70580. 70580. So today, we will be in the context of hotels and restaurants. If you are in a hotel or a restaurant, how can you make an order? How can you make a reservation, okay, to book a table before coming to the restaurant or hotel? So we will try to use English today in real, authentic situations. So I repeat, you go to classpoint.app, okay, classpoint.app, and you have the class code 70580. I repeat, 70580. Right. So, let me explain in general what you should be able to do as participants. So today, by the end of this session, okay, you should be able to read a menu. What is a menu? A menu is a list of dishes available in a restaurant. So you should be able to read the menu, okay, to practice and improve reading skills. You should also be able to identify new words, new vocabulary, okay, to fill in missing words. We will have some paragraphs, some tables in which you will fill in the blanks with the new vocab that you will see today. In the second part, you should be able to listen for details. You will listen for a short script and try to identify the topic. What is the content? Okay, it talks about what? Also, you should pronounce correctly at word level. Today, as the previous session, if you remember, we worked hard and you did well in the pronunciation. Okay, so today, similarly, we will work on our pronunciation. And of course, you should be able to listen to and repeat keywords and phrases. You should repeat them, know how to use them, okay, in paragraphs. And actually, the last point, the last ability, you should be able to recognize the stress patterns of words. When I talk about stress, this will be, inshallah, the next session. We will talk, it will be dedicated to intonation and stress. It means how I am telling my sentence. There is a difference between if I say I am hungry or I am hungry. You see, so this is called the stress or intonation or pitch. How do I pronounce my sentence? Next time, inshallah, we will focus on that, okay? So, this is the content of today's session. As I said, you have two main parts, the reading, okay, and the listening. And we will finish, we will wrap up with a small test. So let's start with reading. Imagine you go to a hotel or a restaurant. Of course, they will give you, okay, a menu. What is the menu? It is the list, as I said, of dishes available in a restaurant. These are some words that you will use later in your paragraph, in your reading of today. Okay, I will try to explain difficult vocabulary before you use them in the context, in the practices. The first image is for salad dressing. What is dressing? It's like a sauce, like mayonnaise, ketchup, anything that you can prepare, okay, to garnish your salad. We call this a salad dressing. Grilled fish. Grilled, it means cooked using a grill. المقلاة. Anything that use oil in it, okay? Because later we will see another different way of cooking. So I repeat, to grill is to cook using a grill, okay? Vegetarian, it means someone who eats only fruits and vegetables, okay? We say also vegan, someone who doesn't eat meat, fish, chicken. Next, you have grilled lamb, okay? Homemade, what does it mean, homemade? It means something cooked or prepared at home. For example, your mom or your wife prepares a cake. Sometimes you can make a delivery, you buy it from a shop, okay? So it is in contrast to something that you buy from a shop. We say homemade. It is made at home, okay? Roast chicken. Earlier I talked about a grilled, to cook using a grill. Now I will talk about roast. Roast, it means cooked in an oven, le four. Okay, so there is a difference between a grilled food and roast food. Okay, right. I want you to start, okay, thinking about all of these vocabulary in the first activity. You have a list of words, you try to match them with the definitions. I read them. You have dressing. Usually we talk about the salad dressing. Served with something else, okay? For example, when you go to a hotel, fish is served with potatoes, let's say, okay? Homemade, of the day, roast, vegetarian. I move to the definitions. Cooked in the oven, a sauce to put on salad, without meat, not from a shop, comes with, changes every day. Okay, I will cheat. I will help you with number 2. Served with, it means comes with. So number 2, sorry, plus E. I want you to take a few minutes and to give me your answers. Okay, so I repeat the words. You have dressing, served with, homemade, of the day, roast, vegetarian, cooked in the oven, a sauce to put on salad, without meat, not from a shop, comes with, changes every day. So I would like to choose some of the participants. Ritej, would you like to give me an answer, Ritej? You choose any word. Yes. Yes, Ritej? If you are listening, you activate your mic, please. Okay, I will pick up someone else. Mrs. Buthaina, good evening. Would you like to try? Yes?
Yes, roast, I think roast, that means cook it in the oven.
Well done. Perfect. Thank you. Very good. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Malek, would you like to give me another option? Yes, Malek?
I think vegetarian is without meat.
Very good. Without meat. Excellent. Thank you, Malek. Good. Okay, Ghufran, would you like to give me an answer? Yes, Ghufran?
Dressing, a sauce to put on salad.
Excellent. Dressing, a sauce to put on salad. Well done. Good. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman.
On the day,
Yes.
comes with.
Not really. So if I say of the day, there is a repetition of another word here in the second definition. What is the word which is repeated here, Abdurrahman? Day. You must look for a sentence in which you have day. So what is the definition of the day? Yes. Yes, Abdurrahman.
On the day.
Yeah. Take a look at F.
Change every day.
Good. Right. Correct. Thank you. Changes every day. Good. Okay. Let me check who else. Mr. Muhammad. Yes.
Yes. Roast.
Yeah.
Change every day.
Roast. No. If I say roast, it means cook it how? How do you cook it? Yes. It means cook it in the oven. If I say roast, it means cook it in the oven. Thank you. Okay. I move to someone else. Yasmin, I think she had a problem with the mic. She told me last time. Mrs. Huyem.
Ok, alors homemade,
Homemade.
not
Yeah.
from a shop. Homemade,
Excellent.
not from a shop. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Thanks. Okay, I think that's it for the answers. So let's check again. Dressing, well, number 1, plus B, a sauce to put on a salad. Number 2, served with, plus E, comes with. Number 3, homemade, plus D, not from a shop. Number 4, of the day, plus F, changes every day. Number 5, roast, plus A, cooked in the oven. Number 6, vegetarian. It means without meat, plus C. Well done to all of you. These are the answers, okay? Great. Okay, now let's move to our text. Our text today will be in the form of a menu. So this is the menu. What do you have in the menu? Usually you have different dishes. You have the dessert, something sweet that you eat at the end of your course. The entree, okay, what you start with your course with, okay. The drinks, what you drink between or at the end of your course. And sometimes you have sides. It means dishes that you order in addition to the original dishes. So here we must differentiate between two words, menu and course. I repeat, menu and course. What's the difference? The menu is the list of dishes available in a restaurant. Sometimes it's hang in the wall. Sometimes the waiter gives it to you. It is printed on paper. Okay, we call this a menu. The course is the set of dishes served together. What you will choose. For example, my course, I will choose as an entree a salad. As the main course, I will choose couscous. For the dessert, I will choose chocolate cake. And for the drink, I will choose, for example, fresh juice. All of these, they present my course. Okay, what I ordered to eat. Right, take a look here at this menu. So the name of the restaurant is Tony's Kitchen. It is a 5-star restaurant. Okay. Please switch off your mic so that there is no noise in the background. Thank you. Okay. And this is the address, 17 Broad Street. And you have the opening time. Usually it's opened at 11:30. Okay, let's take a look at the menu. Usually in the menu, you have the name of the dish and the price. I read some here. The first category is meat and fish. For example, grilled fish of the day, £8. Steak with chips or salad, £12. Sausage and roast tomato pasta, £7. Chicken salad with garlic yogurt dressing, £7. Okay, so all of these, they present the types of fish and meat dishes. Okay, I move to the second part. Here are the dishes for vegetarians, for people who don't eat fish or meat, okay? So they have a variety of choices. For example, they can order cheese and tomato pizza, which is £7. Mushroom omelette, £6. Vegetable chili, £7. Soup of the day with the brown or white bread, 4 pounds. Okay, if you finish your course, you want to eat something sweet, what we call dessert. Here are the different choices, okay? You can order homemade carrot cake, 3.50 pounds, okay? Homemade banana cake, 3.50 pounds. Chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce, 3.50 pounds. Fresh fruit salad with grapes, mango, melon, and apple, served with cream or ice cream, 3.50 pounds. Okay? And at the end, of course, you can order something refreshing to drink. For example, cup of coffee, 2 pounds. Cup of tea, 1.50 pounds. Glass of wine, white or red, 3 pounds. Beer, 3 pounds. Water, still or sparkling, 1 pound. Orange juice, 2 pounds. Okay? So before moving to the activity, I would like to work a little bit on your pronunciation. So I will repeat the list of dessert and I need someone to repeat. So you have homemade carrot cake, 3.50 or simply 350, okay? 350 pounds. Homemade banana cake, 350 pounds. Chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce, 350 pounds. Fresh fruit salad, you see, fresh fruit salad together. Fruit salad, okay, salade du fruit. Fresh fruit salad with grapes, mango, melon, and apple, served with cream or ice cream, 350 pounds. Okay, so I would like to choose a volunteer here, someone who. Okay, let me check the list again. So, May, would you like to repeat? May, please. Yes, May.
Homemade carrot cake,
50 pounds, yes.
350 pounds.
Yes. You continue.
Homemade, yeah. Homemade banana cake, 350 pounds. Chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce, 350 pounds.
Yeah.
Fresh fruit salad with the grapes, mango, melon, and apple, served with cream. What?
Yes.
Served with cream with cream of ice cream, 350 pounds.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Let me check someone else. Erish, would you like to read, please? Yes, Erish. Erish. Erish, if you are.
Is it me?
Yes, please. You read. You
Homemade
repeat.
carrot. Okay. Homemade carrot cake, 315 points. Homemade banana cake, 315 points. Chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce, 315 points. Fresh fruit salad with grapes, mango, melon, and apple, served with cream or ice cream, 315 points.
Thank you very much. Good. Thank you, May. Thank you.
You're
Erish.
welcome.
Thank you, Erish. Thank you. Okay, so I will start here. That's enough. Okay, we still have a lot to come. So, the first question, okay, sausage, chicken, and steak. What are these? Types of meat or types of drinks? Okay. So I repeat, you have a list here, okay? Is this type of meat or drinks? Is it type of meat or drinks? What do you choose? I have already 8 people who answered. Very good. Well done. Yes. So is it a type of meat or drinks? Is it a type of meat or drinks? Yes. Okay. So let's check the answer together. Very good. Excellent. Great. Well done, Mohammed. Buthaina in the 2nd place. Yasmin the 3rd, Mrs. Huyan the 4th, Erij the 5th, and Malik the 6th. Well done to all of you. Thank you. Okay. Second question. Roast, grilled, homemade. What are these? Drinks or ways to prepare food? I repeat. Roast, grilled, homemade. What are these? Drinks or ways to prepare food? What do you choose? Yes, please. So what do you choose here? If I say grilled or roast, so what is this? Yes. Yes. So I have 10 answers. Let's check. Well done. Very good. So the correct answer, of course, these are ways to prepare food. Well done. Perfect. Okay, I move to the 3rd question. What would you like to have? Imagine you go to a hotel or restaurant. What would you like to order? Okay, you choose, okay, a dish from this menu, or you choose your own dish. So what would you like to order? Yes. I remind you of the different dishes we saw. Okay, you have fish and chips, you have the roast chicken, you have the pizza, you have the salad. Okay, you have the chocolate ice cream, you have grilled lamb. Okay, roast chicken, roast lamb. You have a variety of options. Yes, please. So what would you like to order if you go to a hotel or restaurant? Yes. Couscous, good. Grilled fish, well done. Ice cream, perfect. Rice, good. Chips, chicken roast, salad, pizza, meat. Very good. Thank you to all of you. Thanks a lot. Okay, well done. So we finished with the first part of today. Let's move to the second part, which is listening. Okay. Usually, if you want to go to a hotel or restaurant with your friends, okay, you should book in advance. It means to make a reservation, because sometimes it's overcrowded, sometimes there are no vacant seats, no vacant tables. So what you should do is to book a table, okay, to make a reservation beforehand. So imagine you are going to make a reservation. Of course, you need to know the times in English, okay? So today, the first part of the listening will be dedicated to telling the time. How do we tell time in English? I want you to take few seconds to look at this picture. Few seconds to look at this picture. And then we will start. Okay. Let's start with the picture on the left, okay, in which it's written a clock, okay. I read the caption under the picture of the watch. If the minute hand is pointing to the 12, so usually in every watch you have two hands, a long hand and a short hand. The long hand represents the minutes. The short hand represents the hours. I repeat, the long hand represents the minutes. The short hand represents the hour. Okay? Here it's not really clear, but let's say the blue is the hour hand. It's short. This is the hour. And the red will be the minute hand since it's longer. Okay. So I repeat, if the minute hand is pointing to the 12, what time is it? it is 4 o'clock. Usually, if the minute hand, which is long, is pointed to the 12, it is the exact hour. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Is it clear? Okay. So, in this picture, the hour hand is pointing to 4, so it's 4 o'clock. I move to the second picture. If the minute hand is pointing to the 6, it's half past, and we will see the answer. So, take a look at the second picture. The minute hand, what is the color of the minute hand here? Of course, it's the red color, okay? If it is pointed to the number 6, okay, it means 30 minutes. In English, we say half past, and I give the hour. For example, here it is 7:30. I repeat, it is 7:30. So, I repeat, the short hand is the hand of the minutes, and the long hand is, the short hand is the hand of the hours, and the long hand is the hand of the minutes. If it is pointed on the number 12, it means a clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, okay? If it is pointed on the number 6, it means half, okay, 30 minutes. Take a look at this picture. It's very, very useful and fruitful. It has all the rules of telling the time in English. I repeat, in the top, you have a clock. In the bottom, you have half. And now let's move to the minutes. Of course, you have, it is split, the watch, your watch or clock. It is split, divided into different minutes. So here I start with the right, okay? You have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. And then I will not continue saying 45 minutes. No, it doesn't exist in English. So I go to the top, okay? Please, you switch off your microphones, please. Thank you. So I repeat, you go to the top, okay? And you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So if you have 15 minutes, it's called quarter. I repeat, if you have 15 minutes, it's called quarter. If you have 30 minutes, it's called half. If you have 30 minutes, it's called half. And we have the clock, of course. So let's move to some practice now to check if everything is clear. I want you to take a look at the first picture with the purple color on the left. What time is it here? I will help you. So the minute hand is pointed on 7. 7 means 25 minutes. And the hour hand, the short one, is pointed on 9. So what time is it in this picture? I will give you a few minutes to think about it. I repeat, on the right side, you use past, okay? On the left side, we use to. So what time is it in this picture? I will use my laser pointer. So I repeat. So here, okay, this part from the 12 to the 6, we use past. Let's say I have the 2 hands in 12. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, now I move the shorter hand in 1. It's 1 o'clock, and so on. Now let's work on the long hand of the minute. Let's say I have the short hand on 12 and the long hand on 1. 1, it means how many minutes here? 5 minutes. So it is, usually we start with the minutes. On commence avec les minutes et après les heures, okay? So it's 5 minutes past 12. It's 5 minutes past 12. Okay? Now I move to the 2, number 2. 2, it means 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes past 12. And so on until I finish. Now, let's say I am talking about the left part. I will use 2. I will start with the number 11. Okay, 11, it means how many minutes? 5 minutes. So here it is 5 to 1, for example. It's 10 to 1. It's 15 to 1, or we say quarter to 1. Okay, so what time is it in the first picture? Who would like to answer? Yes? Yes, you speak. You don't write. I didn't put a question here. So if you want, I will choose someone. I will help you. Don't worry. Let me check the participants. Yes, Erish. Give it a try, Erish. Yes. So I help you,
It's
Erish.
25.
Yeah?
It's 25 to 9.
25. Do you think 2 or past, Erish?
2 9.
2 9. It is past not to. خلينا نفهم شويه لحظه بالعربي شنو الفرق ما بين past و to. شفتوا الباست هذه الكل ودرجوا درجين جوسكا نحبسوا هنا. التو غير درج غير درجين حتى لي نحبسوا احنا حتى بالعربي غير 4 هكا ولا و7 و35 دقيقه، لكن هذه غير 4. فهمت اريش؟ معناته باش تبدا هنا من لو 8 باش تخدم بالتو، اللي باش يبقى الكل باش تخدم بالباست. هاي عاود جملتك اريش ترى. Yes. Yes, Erish.
25 past 9.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Very good.
Welcome.
Okay. I move to someone else.
S'il vous plaît, past 9 or past 8?
اي مش واضحه هكا، علاش احنا خليناها 9 صحيحه وباش نعملوا 8 صحيحه خاطر مش واضحه برشا هنا، ما نعرفش نحسبوها على 9 ولا 8. شنو رايكم؟
Small 8.
8. Okay, let's say 8. No problem. So 25. Okay. Past 8. احنا حاجتنا بالباست والتو باش نتعلموهم، مش مشكله 8 or 9. Okay. به who would like to give a try for the second one? So I help you. Here, this is the hour hand. This is the hour hand. It's short. 5 is the hour hand. And the 12 is the minute hand. 5 is the hour hand. And the 12 is the minute hand. Yes? Yes, please. Who would like to answer? Yes?
Mrs. William, we try.
Yes, Mrs. William.
Yes, it's 5 o'clock.
Excellent. Thank you. Very good. 5 o'clock. Good. Okay. I want you to focus on these pictures now. We will do number 1 together. Number 1 from the left. Usually we start from the left. So here you have the hour hand in 5, okay, and the minute hand in 12. So it is 5 o'clock, okay, 5 o'clock. Number 2, you have the hour hand in 10, okay, and the minute hand in 12. So what time is it? I want to choose. It's very simple for this question, I guess. Let me check. Asma, would you like to
10
answer?
o'clock.
Excellent, very good. 10 o'clock, thank you. Okay, I move to the third one. Mrs. Buthaina, what time is it?
8 o'clock.
Excellent, 8 o'clock, thank you. Okay. May. Number 4, May. Yes. Yes,
It's
May. Yes, May, go ahead. I help you. The hour hand is in 3 and the minute hand is in 12. Okay? The hour hand is in 3. Yes.
It's 3 o'clock.
Excellent, excellent, thank you. Okay. Ghufran, Number 5. What? Yeah.
Okay. 6 o'clock.
Excellent. 6 o'clock. Thank you. Good. Malek, the last one. Yes, Malek?
12 o'clock.
Excellent. Well done. 12 o'clock. Bravo. Thanks to all of you. Okay.
Queen.
Now we will play a matching game, okay? You have different times on the right, and you will match them with the clocks on the left. I repeat, you have different times on the right. You match them with the pictures, if you want, or the clocks on the left. I will read the first one. So you have 15:05. It is red. 5 past 3. 5 past 3. Okay. 5 past 3. 5 past 3. Okay, the second one. 10 to 9. 10 to 9. 10 to. نحكي بتو راهي غير. Fast ودرج. to غير درج. Be careful. Faites attention. I repeat. 10 to. So you go to the left part of the clock. 10 to 9. Third option. 10 to 8. It means 10 minutes to 8. Okay. 10 past, sorry, yeah, past 8. 10 minutes past 8. And the last one, it is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay, let's start with the time of the first picture. Yes, what is the answer for the first picture? What is the time? If you take a look at the hands, the first picture, what is the time here? Yes. The first picture. I help you. The hour hand is on 4. The minute hand is on 12. Okay, the hour hand is on 4. So what time is it here?
Abdurrahman.
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman. Yes, please. So the hour hand is in 4. The minute hand is 12. Yes?
4 o'clock.
Excellent. Thank you. 4 o'clock. Very, very good. Okay, I move to the second clock. Who would like to tell me the time? Mr. Muhammad. Yes. I help you. The hour hand is in 3. The minute hand is in 5 minutes. The hour hand is in 3. The minute hand is in 5. Yes.
3 past 5.
5 past 3. Very good. 5 past 3. Usually we start, on commence avec les minutes. Very good. 5 minutes past 3. Excellent. Thank you. I move to picture number 3. What time is it? Yes.
Malek.
Yes, Malek. So the hour hand is in 8, Malek. And the minute hand is in 2. It means 10 minutes. I repeat, the hour hand is in 8. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
10 past 8.
Excellent. Very good. 10 past 8. Very good. And let's finish with the last clock. Yes? We will not use past, we will use 2. And you have 10, it means 10 minutes. Okay? So what time is it?
Mrs. William.
Yes, Mrs. Huyam?
10 to 20. 22.
10 to
10 to
9.
B. خلينا نفهموا في حاجة.
10 to 10. 10 to 10.
Very good صحيح 10 to
Voilà.
10. ما يحسبوش ريتا هنا يكتبها لك بال 50 لكن ما نعطيش بعد 50 و 45 نعطي نبدا بالعكس من فوق باليمين من 5 وانا هابط دونك هنا باش تولي لي 10. Very good, thank you Mrs. Bian.
Merci.
Thanks a lot.
Merci.
Okay, I move to the next exercise. Okay, here you have a list of timing and you try to put them in the correct groups. Okay, I will not read the table, I will just read here the words. Okay, you have 8:30, 8:30, 8, 8:30, 8 o'clock, 7:30, because in English we have many possibilities to tell the time. For example, if I say it is, let's say 5:30, I can say 5:30 or 5:30, okay, or 5:30. You see, you have different possibilities how to read to tell the time. So similarly here, you try to put them under the suitable heading. Yes, I will start with number 1. You have 7:30, 7:30. What I will write, what I will choose, what are the options here for the first reading of the time? What do we write here? Can you read it? Yes.
May.
Yes, May. Yes, May.
7:30.
Excellent, 7:30. Thank you. Here I have only one possibility, okay? I move to the second column. How do you read that? How do you read that time? What time is it here? How do you read it? Yes.
Ritesh.
Ritesh.
8 o'clock.
Excellent, 8 o'clock. Very good. And I move to the last column. How do you read that? You have 3 possibilities here. Yes.
Ghufran.
Ghufran, go ahead.
So the third one, Mrs.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. 8:30.
Good, very good. 8:30 or
8:30.
good. 8:30 and 8:30.
8:30.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. Yes. For the half, we don't pronounce the L for all the participants. In English, half, the L is silent. We don't pronounce half. It is half without the L. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Well done to all of you. Okay, let's move now to the most important part in today's session. I want you to listen carefully, okay, to the script. I already helped you. I wrote the script in my screen, okay? I'm cheating. Normally, you should listen and you should not read, but let's make it simple for you. I will, if you want, repeat the record 3 times before answering the question, okay? You will listen first time, second time, and third time, and then we will move to the questions. Okay, let's start. You can follow here, okay, with the listening.
Hello, Geno's.
Hi, can I book a table for tomorrow night, please?
How many people is it for?
4.
And what time would you like?
About 8. 8:30 maybe?
Let's see. We're pretty busy tomorrow, so I can do 7:30 or 9.
Oh. Okay then. 7:30, please.
What name is it?
Jamie.
Jamie. Okay, so that's a table for 4 at 7:30 tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Geno's.
Hi. I called earlier to book a table for 4, and I was wondering if I can make it for 6 instead.
What name was it?
It's Jamie.
Table for 4 at 7:30. So you want to change it to 6 o'clock?
No, sorry. can I make it for 6 people?
Oh, I see. Sorry. That shouldn't be a problem. I can move you to a bigger table, but it will be nearer the kitchen. Is that okay?
No problem. Is it possible to change the time as well? Make it a little bit later?
Ah, yeah, we can. Is 8 okay for you?
Perfect. Thanks.
Lovely. See you tomorrow then.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Ciao.
Okay, let me explain. The lesson is very long, so I wrote here the first paragraph. She asked phone the first time to book the table, and after a few minutes, she called again to make some changes for her reservation. Okay, now you will see the second part of the paragraph here in the listening, and you will listen again. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Voila, this is the second part. Okay, and we will try to listen again.
Hello, Gino's.
Hi. Can I book a table for tomorrow night, please?
How many people is it for?
4.
And what time would you like?
About 8. 8:30 maybe?
Let's see. We're pretty busy tomorrow, so I can do 7:30 or 9.
Oh. Okay then. 7:30, please.
What name is it?
Jamie.
J-A...
M-I-E.
Okay, so that's a table for 4 at 7:30 tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Gino's.
Hi. I called earlier to book a table for 4, and I was wondering if I can make it for 6 instead.
What name was it?
It's Jamie.
Table for 4 at 7:30. So you want to change it to 6 o'clock?
No, sorry. Can I make it for 6 people?
Oh, I see. Sorry. That shouldn't be a problem. I can move you to a bigger table, but it will be nearer the kitchen. Is that okay?
No problem. Is it possible to change the time as well? Make it a little bit later?
Ah, yeah, we can. Is 8 okay for you?
Perfect. Thanks.
Lovely. See you tomorrow then.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Ciao.
Okay, I will come back to the first paragraph. If you need to listen more, for me, I think 3 is enough. If you need to extra listening, no problem. Okay, so let's move to the first part. Okay.
Hello, Gino's.
Hi. Can I book a table for tomorrow night, please?
How many people is it for?
4.
And what time would you like?
About 8. 8:30 maybe?
Let's see. We're pretty busy tomorrow, so I can do 7:30 or 9.
Oh. Okay then. 7:30, please.
What name is it?
Jamie.
J-A...
M-I-E.
Okay, so that's a table for 4 at 7:30 tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Gino's.
Hi. I called earlier to book a table for 4, and I was wondering if I can make it for 6 instead.
What name was it?
It's Jamie.
Table for 4 at 7:30. So you want to change it to 6 o'clock?
No, sorry. Can I make it for 6 people?
Oh, I see. Sorry. That shouldn't be a problem. I can move you to a bigger table, but it will be nearer the kitchen. Is that okay?
No problem. Is it possible to change the time as well? Make it a little bit later?
Ah, yeah, we can. Is 8 okay for you?
Perfect. Thanks.
Lovely. See you tomorrow then.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Ciao.
Okay, I hope it was clear and simple, the listening. Let's move to the question. Okay. I want you to write few words. So what was the listening about? What is the topic? What did you understand? Why did she call the restaurant? Okay, few minutes, please. Yes, you type your answers. So what is the topic? The listening was about what? Why did Jamie call the restaurant? Very good, to make a booking. Great, yes. Any other answer? Yes. Waiting for you. Yes, please. So what is the content? She calls the restaurant to have a reservation. Very good. Booking a table. Excellent. Well done. Jamie called the restaurant to book a table. Very good. Book a table for dinner. Great. Yes. Okay. Great job to all of you. Thanks. Okay. Good. I move now. Next question. What time is the first booking? In the first part, she planned, she chose, if you want, a time for the booking. Later, she changed that time. But what was the first time, okay? The first booking, the time of the first booking, okay? You have three options, okay? You have 7:30, 8:30, or 9 o'clock. I want you to choose the right option, so. What time was the first booking? Yes. What time was the first booking? Was it 7:30, 8:30, or 9 o'clock? Let's check the answers, okay? Very good, well done. It was at 7:30, 7:30. Very good. Great job. Okay. Great work, Mrs. Huyen, and the rest of you. Great work. Good. Okay. Next question. How do you spell the person's name? You have three different spelling for the name Jamie. Which one is the correct? Sorry, here, as usual, the class point gives you only 5 or 6 free questions, so it's fee paying. I can't, okay? So if you want, you raise your hand or I will choose. I repeat. How do you spell the person's name? It is the first, the second, or the third. Would like to answer, or I choose randomly if you want. Okay. Yes, Muhammad. What is the correct answer? Number 1, 2, or 3? How do you spell the name of the person Jamie? 1, 2, or 3? Yes, Muhammad.
Number 1.
Number 1. Concentrate. Yes. Number 1, 2, or 3, Muhammad?
Number 1.
You think it's number 1. Let me check someone else. Asma. What do you think, Asma? Is it 1, 2, or 3?
Number 2.
Excellent. It is number 2. Well done. Very good. Yes, Jamie. Jamie. Good. Okay. Where will the table be now? So, Jamie has changed her reservation. So, eventually, the place in which she will stay with her friends will change. So, where will the table be now? By the door, close to the kitchen, or in the corner? I repeat. By the door, close to the kitchen, or in the corner? Okay. You choose or I choose. Yes, if you want, you raise your hand. Or let's check randomly. Malek, go ahead. Yes, Malek.
Close to the kitchen.
Excellent. It will be close to the kitchen. Very good. Well done. Yes. Okay, that's it. I wanted to be very short, not really bothering today. I will finish with a quiz. This is the quiz. I will leave already the link. And please try to do it now before leaving if you want. I will give you a few minutes. I read the question so that it will be clear. Please, the first thing you do is to enter your email, okay? You enter your email here. The first question, dressing, what does it mean? Juice, preparation for salad, or meat? Of course, you will choose one answer on 1 point. Question 2, roast, if I say roast chicken, what does it mean? Homemade, cooked in the oven, or fried? Question 3, to book, what does it mean? To ask for, to make a reservation. Question 4, what time is it? You have here, you write the time. Okay. Here also, what time is it? Take a few minutes to answer. Question 6 also, what time is it? Okay. Question 7, this is a list of meat. You tick the correct option. If I say chicken, fish, roast lamb, or orange juice, coffee, milkshake, or soup, brown bread. Question 8, this is a list of dessert. You tick the correct one. You have only one option correct. Is it cheese and tomato pizza, mushroom omelette, vegetable chili, chocolate ice cream, pudding? Question 9. What type of food would you like to order in a restaurant? You choose one dish, okay, or one course, and you write it here. And the last question, write an example of soft drinks, okay? You choose an example of soft drinks. This is the link. I will I'll leave it in the chat box. That's it, Mrs. Sarah. I wanted to be very short today. Next time we will continue with the listening, inshallah. The 3 remaining sessions, we will work on the reading and listening too much, okay?